Welcome to my second educational video. Before start to trading, you should know some of the basic terms in forex trading. Okay, I'm going to explain those terms with examples by using demo accounts. So if you see this is a trading platform. Okay, this platform is called J4X, and this J4X platform is provided by Duboscopy Brokerage, and I like this personally. I like this brokerage and platform personally, so I will use this. So most of the traders use MetaTrader 4 and 5, and I will explain you in that later. So this is the chart look like. Okay, I will, this part is called chart part. Okay, I will explain later. So if you see this is the pairs. Okay, this is a currency pairs, and these are the major currency pairs. In all those currency pairs, USD is present as a base currency or a code currency. So these are the major currencies. So I talked about this major currencies in the past. Okay, so in the currency pairs there are three types. Okay, majors, minors, and exotics. In the major currency pairs, what we see is USD will be present, okay, with the developed country currencies. So those countries, and these are the most traded pairs, and these are the mostly stable currency pairs, okay, in which USD is present, and USD is a major currency because it is the strongest currency, okay, and it have a highest reserve also, and Euro USD is the highest trading currency pair in the whole world, okay. So you should know this. So you know about major currency pairs because I explained in the previous video. Today I'm talking about cross currency pairs or minor currency pairs, okay. See, this is a cross currency pairs in which we can see Euro groups, JBPY groups, GBP groups, CAD group, and OD group, and NZD group. Okay, exotic pair you can see USD. Okay, see, but USD is paired with undeveloping countries or undeveloped countries. Okay, and these are most least traded value pairs, but it will give most volatile pairs. Okay, so these are the currency types. If you in the trade in the share market, you will go through blue chips, right? Like that, most of the traders will trade only majors. Okay, they only trade majors, but according to me, majors and minors are good, but don't go to the exotic because it's highly unstable. Go through majors and minors. Okay, next. Next, I want to talk about basic terms in forex. Okay, so first I'm going to talk what is bid and ask, what is spread, lot size, pips, and leverage. You should know about these terms before start trading in any broker. Bid and ask. If you see this is a Euro USD chart, right? This is a Euro USD pair. So one thing you should know is there is always Euro USD. You can see two rates here. See, yeah. So if I'm buying euro means, I have to give $1.1795, okay, dollar to buy 1 euro. That is this value. See, buy value. If I'm going to buy this much of dollar, I have to give to buy $1. Okay. So if I'm selling Euro USD means I'm getting wait a second. I'm getting $1.1794 for 1 euro means don't mind because I wrote a wrong number here, so don't consider that. So go through this. So see, the difference between buying and selling is called spread. You can see 0.8 pip. In this situation, 0.8 point is spread. It will go to the broker, okay, and it will for major pairs it will be less, and for minor pairs it will be more, like 1 2 pip, 5 pip, 6 pip. It depends on the brokers. So you should to be very careful what is the spread of the difference between buy, okay, and sell. The difference between buy and sell is called spread. And the buying price and selling price never be the same, or it always same, they have some difference, okay. Yeah, see, it never be like this. So spread never be 0.00, always there is a difference between bid and ask price. So how much I have to buy, this is the first point, right? So if I'm going to buy a water, I will say 5 liter, 4 liter, 1 liter. So liter is the measurement amount here, right? So that's like the lot size, like nano, micro, mini, and standard. These are the measuring amounts, okay. So I will give you example. This is the nano, you can consider it as a 4 liter, 5 liter, like that, okay. I'm comparing to the water, I'm comparing here because to get to know a clean idea, clear picture, okay. So standard lot means it's a 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh units. Mini lot means 10,000, and micro lot means 1,000, and nano lot is 100. Normally in all the trading brokerages, 1,000 micro lot should be minimum, okay. Most of the trader brokerage will do like that, okay. So okay, yeah, next, in this pair euro USD, you can see after the decimal, after decimal you can see 4 decimal point, okay. See 0.984 and 0.985, okay. So in this you can forget this fifth digit right now, okay. So 0.984 and 0.985, the difference is 1, right? This is called pip. This is this is how we measure or how we do a trade. Means if the pair is consider euro USD, right? 1.1051. This is the current situation. If the pair will, if I thought euro USD will go up, and it will end up in 1.00 and 0, then I made a profit of 50 pip. This is the least value. I'm not telling any definitions here, I'm just telling the practicals how we have to use, because we are not writing any exam here. Just you should know how we do, how we have to use in the practical way. That's it, I'm telling you. This is the per pip value is defined by this fourth value, okay. This is the pipette, and the fifth digit is called pipettes. There most of the traders don't use, like don't consider, and most of the traders don't consider these pipettes, so you don't need to know, but you should know the fifth decimal point is called as pipettes, okay. Yeah, next, you should know about one thing, that is leverage. What is leverage means? See, if you deposit $1,000, they will allow you one until they will allow you to buy or sell until 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh dollars. If the leverage is 1:100, that is called leverage. So they will allow certain amount of trading if I deposit certain amount of money. So if the broker says we provide 1:100, means if I deposit $1, they will allow me to trade $100 in their account. So if they are 1:300, means if I'm going to deposit $1, they allow me to trade $300 in their account. So this is called leverage. So we should always select the high leverage accounts, but We should do use the less leverage in our trading. That is the smart way. Okay, so this is some are the basic points I explained here. So yeah, this is the live chart account. Okay, this is a live platform, and this is a Dugoscopy. Personally, I use Dugoscopy platforms, and normally other traders may use MetaTrader 4 and 5. Okay, so if you open the platform, it look like this. So in this platform, you can see this is a main chart where we can see the candlestick patterns and whatever the all those things will be defined here. And in this chart, you can see there are three sections are here. First one is new order and instrument and navigator. In this, we use new orders to execute any order. Okay, I will explain that in later, but before that I will show you this instrument part. In this part, you have to click this and add whichever the instrument you want. You have to add it like this. See, I have here major and minor currencies and some of the exotic currencies. You can see USDTR, USDZNR, and these are the and BTS. This is the Bitcoin. So I have some of this to analyze. Okay, so in which whichever the pairs or metals or currencies you or anything you want, you can add it by here. You can see all this instrument. Okay, fine. So it's a simple. Okay, there is nothing much more to explain here. And if I go to the new order section, you can see it's a Euro USD chart. Okay, in this Euro USD chart, in this Euro USD pair, the current spread. I told you about the bid and ask price. Okay, and this is this 1.17784. Now 67, it's changing, pipette is changing. This is a bid price, and 1.1776 is a ask price. Okay, so the difference between bid and ask is 0.192. It is fluctuating. It's a fluctuating spread. Some brokerage will use the constant spread, where the spread is always equal. It won't fluctuate. Okay, but in this brokerage it will fluctuate. So what I'm going to do is this is a pair, so you get to know this. This is a bid price, this one is bid price, and this one is sell price, and this is a spread. So now I'm going to buy it. I will show you. Wait, lot size. Okay, 0.01 means it says macro units. Okay, if I am going to 0.01 means it's a mini lot size. Okay, if I am going 1.0 means it's a standard lot size. Okay, normally or you can use any lot size here. If I'm going to use units, if I'm going to use units means, see, one standard lot is equal to 10,000 1 lakh units. Okay, so if you can use any of the things, but minimum in this brokerage 1,000 units are a micro lot is the minimum trade you have to put. Okay, now I'm going. Okay, I showed here my entry point says, my entry point is one. Here I'm showing, I make a blue, right? My entry is this 1.1779, and my stop loss is 1.1787. So 10 pip of difference. I'm using your nano lots. Okay, I have a $940 in my account, so that means it's a demo account. I'm using demo account. Okay, so that means I have a almost equal to 1000 USD. So I use for a mini macro lot size. That means 1000 of 1000 units I went for a buy. So it's using 1%. See, because it's a 1:100 leverage ratio account. So if I'm going to use more than that, like example I will show you, I'm closing this position in loss. Okay, and I'm going for a 10,000 and I'm going for a 10 pip of TP. Yeah, in this situation, see, if I'm going for a 10,000, it's not almost equal, it's not equal to the 1,000. That's why I'm using more than 10%. So if I'm going to use 10,000 of units, it will showing 12%, means almost it's a 1 is to 100 leverage ratio. So you know the difference between bid, what is the meaning of bid and ask price in this situation. See, now the bid price is 1.17758. Okay, so I'm in loss of 1.6 pip. And differ spread and lot size, and how I have to enter for, how we have to enter for a buy and sell, and how the leverage works, and I totally explained all these things by using live demo accounts to get an idea how we have to do trade in live. So I hope you will get an idea about these things. Okay, so